A very good day to all traders. This is Red, founder of Forex Higher Academy Private Limited. So on the dollar yen, just right before we start, very quick two announcements. First up, this upcoming Wednesday, we are going live on Facebook to go through 12 currency pair across 3 time frame with 10 different trading strategy. And on the 25th of April, if you're in Singapore, pop by and join our workshop. In these 3 hours, you will get to learn some stuff that is helpful for your trading or how to get started with that. So on the daily chart on dollar yen, we can see that market has a very strong retracement after this very sharp pullback from the flash crash, and it retraced to a potential sell zone. Head down to 4-hour chart. Let's have a look. On the 4-hour chart, the market has consolidate at this area. If you're looking for a shorting opportunity, it's still not yet for me. I need additional confirmation because you see over here market did consolidate, but it break and close above as well. So head down to 1-hour chart. This is what I have. Back to daily chart, I'll share with you my analysis. This whole big chunk is where I'm looking for a shorting opportunity on the daily chart. So not for me for a shorting opportunity right now. To the 4-hour chart, from the consolidation, not much for me. This is more for 1 hour, a buying opportunity over here. So that's all I have for you for dollar yen today. Remember, always plan your trade and trade your plan, and I will see you soon on the next video.